Hello students, and in today's video we will complete the chapter number 2 NCERT Science Class 9, and the topic of the chapter is the matter around is pure. So let us start. First of all, we will learn about elements. So what are elements? They are something which can be written in symbols or chemical formulas. Okay, so what are elements? Elements can be written in symbols or chemical formulas. The next is they cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Example, silver and oxygen. And the second is compound. Compound. So they have a fixed composition. They can be broken down into substances by chemical reactions. Example, water, salt and sugar. Over here, students, you can understand that elements and compounds are totally different from each other. Now, let us scroll down. The next is impure substances. So, what are impure substances? They are homogeneous. The substances mix with each other and come at a particular color. Means, like if you make a sugar syrup while mixing water and sugar, then there would be no change in its color. So this is the type of impure substance. The next is heterogeneous. It's the substance which is mixed to each other and forms a boundary in different layers like mixture of sand and water, with sand after some time settle down in the bottom of the glass. So students, you might have learned about it. Now let me just scroll it down. Wait. Yeah. The next is the matter around us. Pure. The next is third part of impure substances. This is somewhat lengthy. Now, solution. The topic name is solution now. And there is a formula, solution plus solvent. Now solution is of three types: unsaturated, saturated and supersaturated. Let us have a look on the formula. The formula is solution consists of solute and solvent. Solute is substance dissolved and solvent is substance in which dissolved. So let us have an example. Sugar plus water is equals to sugar solution. So over here, solute is sugar and solvent is water. And while mixing them, we get sugar solution. Now let me just scroll it down. Yeah. Is the matter around us pure? Now, the next is fourth part. Method of separation. So the fourth part is method of separation. Now, there are many methods of separation. First is evaporation. B is centrifugation by separating funnel, winnowing, threshing and magnetic separation. Now, the new methods this year is that it is centrifugation. It is based on a basic formula or basic principle, which is separation of particles on the basis of their density. Now let us have an example. Remember how your mother separates the cream from the milk. Like whenever you would have seen your mother separating the cream from the milk, what did you observe? What happens in the case is that cream is lighter than the milk. It means that cream has less density and that's why it floats on the milk. And by this process only, we can we can separate the substances. Okay. Now the next one is, this is the last one and then our chapter would be completed. So now it is elements. We have learned elements in the first part. Let us learn it in broad. Metals. Elements are of three types. First is metals. Over here, we are given with some of their characteristics. In metals, it is malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity. The examples are silver, gold, sodium. The next is metalloid. It has the mixture of properties. This is a very important thing, that in metalloid there are mixture of properties of metals and non-metals. And there are two examples, silicon and germanium. Again, the next one is non-metals. Non-metals are non-malleable, non-ductile, bad conductor of heat and electricity. Example, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur. Okay, so this was today's chapter. Now we finish this chapter and hope you liked the video. Thank you.